Good morning, welcome back to Turning Bone UK. Today we're unboxing the new Dremel 8260. This is a battery powered multi-tool with Bluetooth connectivity that we can link to our phones. So if we just open the box, it comes nicely packaged. All cardboard. Nothing else, just cardboard, so we can get rid of the box. The box is plastic and aluminium, and the plastic is recycled. This is the Platinum edition. There are 3 editions available, and the Platinum edition is the top end edition. So we open the case. So we have the Dremel guide. We have information about the My Dremel app. We have information connecting information about My Dremel app, information about connecting the multi-tool to your phone, and accessory information. So we'll just pop that to one side. As you can see, it's in a nice foam protection. Everything's nice and safe. In the top of the kit, you've got two batteries. Both of these are 3Ah batteries. The previous Dremel was 2Ah batteries, so these will last a bit longer. Battery charger, and of course the 8260 itself. So let's just chuck a battery in there. Here we are. Standard on-off, and then your speed selector is here. Turn it on. Runs from 5,000 all the way up to 30,000 RPM. It runs a brushless motor, so the Dremel is a lot quieter than the 8240, which has had a brushed motor. Also in the top, you've got the comfort guard. So this guard you can screw onto the front of your Dremel. So that when you're cutting or grinding or abrading, this guard will protect the user from any sparks or dust or dirt that's thrown up whilst in use. So that's the bottom of that's the top of the case. Now, as I said, this has got Bluetooth connectivity. We'll come on to the Bluetooth connectivity in a minute. You need to have the lid of the case open before you open the drawer, and this is just a protection to prevent the drawer opening when you're carrying the kit around. So this is the detailer's grip. The detailer's grip screws onto the front of your Dremel, and there's a nice little thread, pre-threaded grommet that holds the tool in place, and that allows you to hold the tool with your hand, and it gives you a lot more stability when working the tool. Also in the drawer, we've got this, which is it's almost like a very, very small router. So this will screw onto the front of your Dremel, and then you can use this for cutting. So this is called the multi-purpose cutting kit. There's some cutting drill pieces here. So these are spiral cutter bits. They will fit into the Dremel, and then you can use this You can use this to cut circles, lines, clean out grout between tiles, any cutting where you need a platform to support the Dremel. You've also got a sharpening platform or grinding platform. And then once you've put a abrasive or a grinding piece in here, this will allow the tool to cut and grind on both a 45-degree angle and a 90-degree angle. So that's really useful if you're working on a specific piece. Then we've got the Dremel speed click attachment and a grinding wheel. This is the circle cutter. Now at the moment the point to the circle cutter is pointing upwards, but you would undo this. Just to swap that over. Dremel sits in there, and then you can cut your circles in your timber. And then finally you get this little box of accessories. So all the sorts of accessories you'd be looking for with the Dremel. So we've got some cut-off wheels, sanding buffs, buffing wheels, grinding wheels, sanding drums, and then an assortment of different sanding discs, arbors, there we go. You've got the key to tighten up your collets. You've got some grinding, polishing paste, sanding drum, drill bit, grinding wheel, brush, collet for the different size collet, so those are all the different accessories that you receive with the kit. So this is a really nice kit. Sets you up to be able to start all sorts of projects straight away. Stores everything conveniently. Just pull this back. Remember where it came from. There we go. So that's the kit. As I said, this connects to Bluetooth, so this will connect to your phone. Now you might wonder why I need to connect my multi-tool to the phone, but it's quite a useful little kit. You can download the app, and the app comes with an accessory guide which lists all the accessories available from Dremel. This app also has a bit finder, which is really useful, so you can choose the material you're going to work with. So let's say we will work with some hardwood today. You can choose the application that you're going to do with that hardwood. So we'll look at doing some cutting, and then it will show you which accessories are available for hardwood cutting. Once you've chosen the accessory you want to look at, it will tell you what it's used for, and it will also tell you the best recommended speed for operating.
And where to buy it?
I don't think it does it?
Yeah, at the bottom.
All right. On your home page you can connect to your Dremel. So if you tap on the connect to my Dremel, it will look for the new tool. It's found this tool, so we can click on that. It's asking me to confirm pairing with your Dremel by spinning the speed dial. And there you can see it's connected itself to the tool. You can name your Dremel, so we'll just call that Andy's, and then click done. So it's warning me that we've got a low battery in this Dremel, which is okay. So what we'll do, we'll just whip that one out, put a new battery in.
I think that battery's dead.
Yeah, that one's also running low. So you can see it tells you how much battery power we've got left. So this has only got 2% left in the tool. It tells you how much running time you've got left. So 2% gives us no running time, and it will also tell you the battery and tool temperatures. The nice thing about this is that you can set your speed control as well. So if you want a specific speed for operating your tool, rather than setting it on here, you can set it on here, so that when you turn it on, it will immediately operate at the speed that you've set. So that's the Dremel. That's the new Dremel 8260 with the Dremel app. In the Platinum kit, it gives you a link to my Dremel. Scan the QR code, and this allows you to register your 8260. Make sure you do it within 4 weeks of purchasing the kit, but that will allow you to extend your warranty by another 12 months. Dremel, their support is really good anyways, but nobody wants to miss out on an extra year's warranty. So scan the QR code and enjoy the benefits. Why would you want to upgrade to this one? What's the difference between this and the 8220? Not a lot, if we're honest. This is the 8220 Platinum Edition. There's not a lot of difference. You still get your 65 accessories. You still get 2 batteries, but like I said earlier, these batteries are only 2 AH, these are 3 AH. and this doesn't have your Bluetooth connectivity, so you have to rely on your battery indicator to tell you how much battery you've got left, and the speed markings are slightly vaguer. But other than that, there's no real difference. Bigger battery, longer life working off grid. Got the app, allows you to identify which accessories you want to use with this. But hopefully that gives you a really good insight as to the two bits of kit. As I say, very little difference between the two, other than the Bluetooth connectivity and the bigger battery that we get with this bit of kit. I really like this kit. If you've got any questions, any comments, please feel free to leave them in the box below. We'll put a link in here to the Dremel website, so where you can find this. We'll also put a link in here to the App Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We like comments. We'd be always happy to receive comments.
It helps us.
So hopefully that's been really helpful to you, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.
Bye.